Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, couldn't start the game with error code 30005, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So I'm going to show you multiple solutions for this. The first one is you're going to go to your easy anti-cheats folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program files 86, easy anti-cheats. And once you're here, first you're going to make sure that you don't have any easy anti-cheats processes running in the background. So just open up your task manager. Look for either easy anti-cheat or crash pad handler here, or you can also just search here easy anti-cheat. I don't have it running, or crash pad handler. As you can see, I don't have it running here as well. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to delete this .sys folder, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Epic Games launcher. You're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to go into manage then. Click verify here and let it verify the files. And while it's verifying, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here Windows Security. You're going to go into virus and threat protections. You're going to go into manage settings here and just turn off real-time protection for the time being. So just turn it off. And then you can go ahead and play your Fortnite after it's done verifying the files. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.